Let's take a look at Policy Troubleshooter. Select Navigation menu, click IAM and Admin, and then select Policy Troubleshooter. Enter principal email and click Browse for resource to check why a principal does or doesn't have a specific permission. If you see the below error, it is missing permission cloudasset.assets.search all resources. Go to the below URL and enter the permission, in this case cloudasset.assets.search all resources, to see which IAM roles has this permission and pick the IAM role that closely fits your requirement. In this case, I am choosing Access Context Manager Admin IAM role. Click Navigation menu, select IAM and Admin, and then click IAM. Grant the user Access Context Manager Admin role and retry. Again, click Browse and search for organization and enter resourcemanager.projects.create for permission as an example. If you are unable to browse for the organization, identify the organization ID and use the below syntax. Now you see the organization. Select the listed organization and search for the permission. As you can see, find below the results and expand Allow Policy. Click See Binding Details. It shows that the principal, in this case Diana at ctech-academy.com, has the permission resourcemanager.projects.create via IAM role project creator at the organization level.